filming.
Okay.
He's going at a good clip.
Are you gonna run up?
Not right now, PJ.
Easy, sweetheart. Good boy. Alright, other way. No, not littler circles in that direction. Go on. No, we're not going to eat the camera either. Go on. Get out. Get out there. Is the lighting a bit better now?
Yes.
Hey.
He's just playing.
It's a good boy, huh? Come on.
Coming on time.
Okay, you want...